Okay, so after learning about Vincent van Gogh and looking at some of his work, here's your paper, and we're going to do our first and last name on the back, our room number, our grade level, and your table number. So table 3 would be T3, table 8, T8, etc. Then we're going to flip it to the front. And using some of those Van Gogh pictures that we looked at as inspiration, we're going to start off by drawing some hills to start off. And you can draw a bunch or a few, and then just realize that top line, wherever you stop drawing them, that is your horizon line. Next, you're going to work on adding some trees, and in your handout, I've given you lots of options for trees so you can decide what kind of tree you want to add. So when you draw a tree, and if you're going to overlap a hill, just make sure you erase that hill line so that the tree doesn't look see-through. And then also you want to think about if you're doing a tree close up, in the middle, or far away, that they do need to change size. I'm going to show you this one here. So you can see that this one's bigger than that one because this one's supposed to be farther away. And then in this step 3 example, there are 3 trees, and they're 3 different sizes because the one farthest away has to get smaller. So just make sure you're working on size as you do that. So then last, it's your, you can decide if you want to add a sun or a moon, and you just want a circle for that. So no hairy suns, no suns with faces. If you want clouds, you're welcome to add that as well. When you're finished with all your pencil, if you'll come check it with me before we do our Sharpie step. After I've checked your pencil, you can get a mat to put under your paper and then Sharpie it with the thick one. If you have small things, you're welcome to use the skinny one, but the thick one will show up a bit better. Once you're finished with the Sharpie, go ahead and erase with an eraser. You don't need to do that checking with me before you erase.